Is lost for me. When I'm gone, then you will see. They can't feel my prophecy. I'm distance away now, can't take the pain, and I'm about to fucking break down. But I feel so awake now. Maggots falling out my eyes as the wolves growl, and it's gripping me dearly, taking me over. I'm never gon' fold. Bluffing your life and it's never gon' hold. Fucking your bitch and then sending her home. Did that just trigger your mind? Too fucking bad, she's still over here choking on my demonic presence, the mistress of mine at the spiritual supper with blood for the wine. Locked in this fucking dark cage, watching all the black rose burning the sage. Circling my thoughts, but they'll never hear a page. Just be my fucking story and I take it to the grave. UAV and we'll never go gray, even if you burn us in the fucking right place. Healing from the sources, we summon up a grace. Vacant AC and we here to slay. Hope.